How to make a tracking tunnel. You will need all of these things. And some backyard detectives. Fold your cardboard or cord flute into a triangular tunnel. Hold it together with sellotape or a stapler. Make sure your lid fits tightly into the base of your tunnel. Fold the tissue to fit the top of the lid. Mix some food colouring with the water. Twice the amount of water to food colouring. Tip your ink onto the lid until it is absorbed by the tissue. Thanks for testing our ink pad for us, Tutu. Add a dollop of peanut butter into the center of your ink. I love peanut butter. Put paper throughout your tunnel and place your ink pad in the center. Make sure it is flat. Don't forget to decorate your tracking tunnel. Find a flat, dry spot for your tracking tunnel. And wait a few days before you check for footprints. Then match them up to a guide like this. Do you